Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. Basically anything that has to do with the beauty industry, I enjoy sharing with you all. It's going to be all different kind of makeup brands and so forth. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers is my first goal and I'm almost there. I'm super close. So if you're enjoying these videos, please click like and subscribe. So another little benefit from my birthday this year, if you were watching some of my other videos, you'll see I just recently had a big birthday. And one of the gifts I got was a subscription to Ipsy each month. They thought it was a good idea to get me this so that I could try different beauty products as I like to get them on my own here and there. Just something that I like to treat myself with. So if you've never heard of Ipsy before, there are different types of subscription plans. This is not sponsored in any way at all. Like I said, this is my first box, my first experience with it. And this box was from August of this year. So it basically gives you different types of products inside that you can try before you buy like actual full-size products and so forth. So I thought that would be perfect for me to try. And I enjoy sharing the videos with others and giving my thoughts and views on what I think about the products. So for the month, here's the Ipsy box. And of course I've already opened it, but it says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." So I thought it was kind of cute. They have like a little quote in there. And then it's just like covered up, and I'll show you the goodies that we got inside. So apparently each month, from what I understand, I'm trying to keep the box open here, you do get like a little makeup bag to put everything in, which who doesn't love a good bag? And these go way beyond makeup. I mean, if you're a new mom, you can put baby wipes, tissues, all kinds of things for your baby to travel around with. There's so many things to do with these bags besides just makeup. So I actually, when I travel with my dogs, and I know this is a little off topic, but if you watch, you know I'm a huge dog lover too. I put a lot of their like medications or treats and things like that. I use the bags for that too. So for me, there's always a good purpose for a good little bag. So I just wanted to share that tip as well. And then let's see what other goodie we got in here. So we have Ibby Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter. So let's check this out and see what this looks like. It's always fun to open the little packages and see what you have in there. So it's a little compact. Let's see what this color is. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see the shade there? I did make it back up into my room tonight, but it is later in the evening. My husband right now is currently babysitting the dogs. So I can try to get a video and, oh, look at that. That is a beautiful color. So I will have to do makeover soon, incorporating this in there. That is really pretty. I like that. So that was a pleasant surprise. What else do we have in the box? We also have the Professional Pearl Primer by Benefit. And I have not tried this yet. So it comes in a little box and it's a cute little primer. So I will definitely feature these in one of my videos as well and let you guys know what I think about it. What else is in here? We have it in a little bit of bubble wrap. Pixie by Petra. Well, this is a neat little container in there too. And this is called, oh, it's Beach Rose. It's a blush. So let me get this open. 1 second, let me get the plastic off. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I got the plastic off there and just took the lid off so we could go. It says Pixie by Petra in there. I don't know if you can kind of see it there in the camera. So I'll go ahead and swatch this. Feels very nice and soft. And that is a nice light blush color. Also a really pretty color. So I'll have to feature that in another video as well. And then the top just screws back on. It's a nice little container. So that is awesome. And then we have a nice little brush by Cruelty Free. Oh, it's cruelty free and non-vegan. Trying to see what the brand is here. Take these out of here. How cool is that? Oh, the Beauty Crop is what it's called. Even has like a little pineapple down the bottom there. Isn't that cute? So that will definitely be in an upcoming video. I will review that for you guys as well and see how it feels. Nice soft bristles there. And then I know there's one more. I believe this is the last item in here. And again, just let me take the plastic off and then I'll share this one. Okay, so this is an eyeliner from Scone and it's called Insanely Intense Tattoo Waterproof Eyeliner in Jet Black. And already when I tried to take it off, I got it in my finger because it kind of like popped back. But you can see it's a nice fine tip there. Maybe you'll see it better that way. So once again, I'll be featuring that in an upcoming video and we can see what we think of that. I can actually probably just feature all these products right into one and add a couple of my favorites. The top is it's a little tricky to get the top back on, not gonna lie. That's how I got it on my finger before. Trying to push it, but it like automatically pushes itself back out. So there we go. We'll give that a try and do a nice little makeover with all of that stuff. So if you guys enjoy watching the unboxings from Ipsy, let me know. I know I have a September one that's on the way that I'm going to be unboxing soon. So let me know what you think and your thoughts below. And again, if you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe. I appreciate you all being here and sharing all these items with me. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day.